We are pleased to show you the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, towing package, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, backup camera, remote start, heated front seats, push button start, power steering, passenger vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, 8-way power driver seat, leather wrapped steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.